Joey, welcome to your new home. Yes, well, it's not much, but anyway, say Joey. Say Joey. Say Joey. Oh, Joey, I'm sorry. You must be hungry. One moment. Here you go. Go on, Joey. Oh! Right, then, Joey. Now, where were we? Ah, yes. Say Joey. Say Joey. Say... Oh! Oh, Joey. I don't understand. I'll bring you into my house. I'll feed you. You know, I'll give you fresh water every day. I'll give you... Oh! Joey, no!
The name's Tony!
Oh, what a swamp!
Broken the trust. You burst my trust bubble, Joey. I'm sorry, but you're going to have to do a lot of making up to get over this, because I am distraught.